Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we're going to discuss vapor hunting gloves. All of our machines come with rubber gloves. They're 45 mil gloves. They are one of the things that are going to wear out the quickest on your machine. It really depends on how much you're using your machine. If you're using it on a daily basis, you're going to look somewhere around 8 months to a year of having to replace gloves. One thing that I will tell you about our gloves is when you're not blasting, the gloves need to be pulled out of the machine. This allows them to dry out a little better. Doesn't have that moisture buildup inside of the gloves. The gloves are actually $45. They're not very expensive. If you have any other questions about our gloves or the process, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. My extension is 108. Thanks for watching.